Today, we're going to talk about one of the most versatile and beneficial ingredients in your kitchen, apple cider vinegar. From weight loss to digestive health, ACV has been touted for its numerous benefits. So let's dive in and explore the world of apple cider vinegar. So what is apple cider vinegar? Simply put, it's a liquid made from fermented apples. The fermentation process converts the natural sugars in the apples into acetic acid, which gives ACV its distinctive tangy taste and aroma. Now let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. From weight loss to blood sugar regulation, ACV has been shown to have numerous health benefits. For example, it can help with weight loss by reducing belly fat and improving insulin sensitivity. Unlike other vinegars, ACV is rich in antioxidants and amino acids. It also contains a compound called mother, which is a cloudy sediment at the bottom of the bottle. This mother is packed with beneficial probiotics and enzymes. But ACV isn't just good for your health, it's also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can use it as a vinaigrette for salads, add it to smoothies, or even use it as a hair rinse for shiny locks. Of course, like any supplement, there are some risks and precautions to consider. For example, ACV can cause stomach upset or interact with certain medications. So always consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. So there you have it, the amazing benefits and uses of apple cider vinegar. Remember to always dilute it with water and start with a small dose to avoid any discomfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.